right, as some of y'all may have seen, we talked about this in the prior video, but we want to kind of clean this up over here. Just when I put it in, I wanted it to function and get it moving so that we could then address it later. And now we're at later. So what we're going to do, we're going to run a bolt through each side, right through here. We're going to weld a nut and washer on the core support, so a bolt will come through here and hold this on nice and tight. And we've got these nice little chrome looking spacers that'll go over top of the bolt, so it'll look like it was meant to be. It'll have a nice fit and finish. And then we might utilize this thick rubber, run it kind of like a radiator support cover, cut it around nice and neat. I have this on my square body. I like it. If I don't like it, we'll just get a certain style radiator cover, maybe off like a 6'2" square body or a big block. I can't remember, but we'll try this first. So nonetheless, we're going to clean this up. It's going to look better. Here we go. You think it's safe to look at the weld through the camera? through on the phone? There you have it. Now we'll finish the install, get this thing buttoned up. Good friend Tim here is gonna make it look nice and neat for us. So we'll see how far we get. One thing I learned many years ago in the car business is ingenuity goes a long way. And this, I would say, is a prime example. We've got custom brackets holding on the radiator. Nothing fancy, but it works. And we've got these custom bolts and spacers that hold on the fan shroud to the radiator support. Looks a lot better than zip ties, and once we cover it up with this radiator support cover that we're going to build, more ingenuity, I think it's going to turn out really nice. Again, Crossbreed's being built to be driven. It's not going to be a trailer queen. It's going to be reliable, functional, and look good doing it. Let us know in the comments what you think.